In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up Create Loom Account 2026, step by step. By the end, you'll have your Loom account ready and be set to record your first video with confidence. Start by heading to the Loom login page in your browser. On the homepage, look for the Sign Up button. You might also see a Get Loom for Free option. Both take you to the same place to create your account. Next, choose how you want to sign up. You can use a Google account for the fastest one-click setup. If you prefer a traditional approach, select email and password. And if you're joining with the company address, using your work email can help connect you to your team's workspace right from the start. Pick whatever feels easiest and most appropriate for you. If you go with email, you'll be asked to enter your email address and create a password, then click Continue or Sign Up. Choose a strong, unique password and keep it somewhere safe. If you see any prompts about password strength or an email already in use, follow the on-screen guidance to adjust and proceed smoothly. Now check your inbox to verify your email. Look for a message from Loom and click the verification link inside. This step activates your account. If the email isn't there right away, give it a moment, then check your spam or promotions folder. Once you've clicked the link, return to your browser tab and continue. You'll be guided to set up your profile. Add your name so teammates and viewers can recognize you. Uploading a profile picture is optional, but it helps personalize your account. Then choose your workspace, personal for solo use, or team if you're collaborating with colleagues. Selecting team can make it easier to share videos, organize folders, and manage permissions together, while personal keeps everything just for you. With your profile in place, you're ready to start using Loom. Click New Video to begin. You'll choose how you want to record. Just your screen for walkthroughs and demos, just your camera for face-to-face updates, or screen plus camera if you want to appear in a bubble while presenting. If your browser or device asks for permission to use your camera or microphone, allow access so your recording includes your audio and video. Take a second to confirm the correct mic is selected and that your camera preview looks good. That's it, you're ready to record. Follow these steps and you'll be capturing clear, shareable videos in no time. Thanks for watching and enjoy using Loom.